Introducing U-Drone, the ultimate mind-reading drone that allows you to fly a drone with the power of your mind. U-Drone integrates leading cognitive technologies into an intelligent headset that reads your brainwave, tracks slight facial movements, and converts these signals into commands. At the size of your palm, the 85 grams U-Drone is extremely compact, lightweight, and portable. To take off, all you need to do is concentrate and imagine the drone lifting off. You can even adjust the altitude by imagining, adjust the flying direction by tilting your head, and land the drone by biting your teeth. Capturing a photo with U-Drone can be done with 2 blinks with your eyes, or a peace sign with your hand. All U-Drone images are consistently sharp and vivid. The HD camera shoots stabilized videos at 1080p and stunning still images at 8 megapixels. Tracking a certain subject on the move or from different angles, our subject tracking technology can automatically identify and continually follow a moving person. If you wish to reach further, flying with your mobile device as the remote control is an alternative option. You can view real-time camera feed on the U-Drone app and sync photos and videos onto your device instantly. Whether you are indoor or outdoor, U-Drone will be a perfect add-on to your magical moments. The powerful camera system automatically adjusts camera focus, exposure, and position to ensure your face is ideally displayed in the frame. All you need to do is act naturally. Whenever inspiration strikes across your mind, U-Drone will lead you into an adventure within and beyond your imagination.
Imagine a machine that has the performance of a tank and a drone. Meet the X-Tank Copter, the world's first flying tank. On the ground, goes through narrow gaps, drive in rough terrain, drift and more.
Hi, my name is Vitek and this is the X-Tank Copter. After 2 years of development, I can finally say the drone is ready to bring you a lot of fun. My background is in product design and robotics. Since the drones being only able to fly, my ultimate goal was to design the drone that can operate in different environments.
In the air, the drone is an agile flyer. The onboard camera will capture your mission in HD quality. Take full control of the drone with the included smartphone app. Immerse yourself in the experience with the included high-quality VR goggles. The drone features Caterpillar tracks, 3.6-inch propellers, HD camera, micro SD card, front and back lights, can fit various battery sizes, pivoting crash-resistant arms. It also comes with a 2.4 GHz remote controller. Don't worry, we've got your back here. The drone's arms are designed to survive the worst crashes. The X-Tank Copter is production ready, but we need your help in order to meet the factory minimum order quantity and make it available to everyone at affordable price.
Thank you for your time and support.
In a time of technology and electronics, people still love creating with their hands. That's why we created the Airwood drone. It's an easy-to-assemble wooden drone that brings the joy of building an ancient Chinese craftsmanship to all ages. An exceptionally performing drone that's easy to build, fly, and fix. No overpriced plastic here. The Airwood drone features a laser-cut frame made completely of high-quality linden wood, coupled with ready-to-fly electronic components. It's easy to assemble, has modular pieces that you can put together without any tools, and everything you need is right in the box. Its environmentally friendly wooden design is lightweight yet durable, and it even features customizable designs and add-on modules that allow you to personalize your drone just for you. It's a simple, easy-to-use platform that is not only a joy to build, but also fly anywhere. Super handy features like the latest 6-axis flight control system, hover lock, one-key return, and the small, lightweight airframe make indoor and outdoor flying a breeze. Airwood goes together with your hands and a little creativity, because we want everyone of all ages to have an unforgettable time building, flying, and creating with drones. So go get building and let's see what you create.